Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can shop or buy Walmart gift cards. First thing first, what you have to do is launch a browser. At the top search bar, type in walmart.com and get logged into your account. At the top search bar, you will see a blank space to search for gift cards. As you do that, you will see various gift cards. So wait for this page to load and then scroll below and select Shop Now for e-gift cards. Now as you do that, you will see various gift card that is around price range of $5. Likewise, select options. From here, you can select the card amount yourself and you can enter the amount between $5 to $500. Make sure that you read about this item at the middle section, and at the end select add to cart, check the box. You will see the dates right here: shipping, pickup, and delivery. And once you pay for it, this is how you can buy gift cards. Thank you for watching.